Hello everybody, this is Peter and I'm in Ickenham Village Hall. There's a little plaque that tells me that I am here. And why am I here, you may ask? Well, there's an HS2 Exhibition. I'll have a quick scan round so you can get a feel for it. And there are about 6 or so displays of various aspects of it. And I've already talked to quite a few of the people, trying to establish some detail, as is my want. The noise barrier thing is quite interesting, and the way these are tested is also quite interesting. And they are tested for vibrations and for noise, and they're about 4 meters high above the track bed, so they're well on top of that. Now, perhaps one of the more interesting videos is this one here, which is the south portal. Now, the south portal is the beginning of the tunnel under the Chilterns, and it's pretty much done, this tunnel. There are some buildings on the surface where there'll be air access to the tunnels, of course, and you need that. But there's not much to see because it's a tunnel. And here we have, this is quite exciting, this is the Colne Valley Viaduct, by the looks of it. It's where it's crossing the lakes, and it's suddenly changed direction. And here we go. And as you can see, that red line is, actually it does sort of, but there's a very good view of the sound barriers, they call them. I would have called them baffles myself. But there you go, and there's the sweep of the viaduct, very good. On the internet there are lots of drone footages. Simon C, I think, does it. I didn't do any drone footage, I did construction footage from ground level. Now, this may well be interesting because, oh hello, it's going rather quickly. This is a before and after situation. In the left side, you see how it was in 2025, and the right side is how it is in 2026. Obviously, a very similar road, this is before and after, and you almost beyond imagination how much work and is going into this. The engineering project is quite remarkable, really. In these videos, you don't see any orange-suited chaps, which is a bit of a disappointment because they were part of my favoured things to see when I was filming the actual construction of it. And there we go, and there's the Colne Valley Viaduct sweeping round to the left or to the east, as I call it. And I think it's perhaps the most aesthetically pleasing part of the entire HS2 route. And here's a very good example of the sound barriers and baffles. And there's the marina, there's Harefield Marina, and there's the Grand Union Canal up on the left there. I was along there yesterday, or on Sunday, and you could hear, obviously you could hear the Chiltern Line train about a mile to the south. But to build this is quite an achievement across all that water. So, if you haven't seen it before, you have seen it now. That's the Colne Valley Viaduct, filmed by drone. It won't be fitted out with actual railways and electrics for some time yet, a few years I think. Anyway, that's video 1 of this exhibition in Ickenham. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.